Hey guys, how's it going? How to change your age on Roblox. So changing your age on Roblox directly isn't possible due to Roblox policy for age verification, but you can update your age by contacting Roblox support if there was an error, if you need to correct your birthday. So basically here's what you can do using your mobile. Just go ahead and open up the mobile web browser and then go to the Roblox support right here. Let me go ahead to the settings right here, help and safety. And then basically after you log in with your account credentials, if prompted, submit a request right here. And then just type in right here, right in the help center to select your issue, select account theft or other if applicable, and explain that you need to update your age on your account, mention that you need to correct your birth date, and then provide any additional details that may help Roblox support assist you more effectively. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.